This is Parashat Vayechi. Parashat Vayechi is at the end of the Sefer Bereshit. We're gonna finish the Sefer Bereshit with this week Parasha, and the bet of Bereshit that start all of the Sefer Bereshit. Now started bet blessings. And what is the last word in Sefer Bereshit? Whoever that he understands Torah, he understands the last word as significant, has a very great impact on the parasha. Now, believe it or not, the last word in the Sefer Bereshit is B'Mitzrayim. It's talking about Mitzrayim, Egypt. That 70 souls of Kahal Israel went to Egypt, B'Mitzrayim. And that is the last word in Sefer Bereshit. Now, Mefarshim asks, how come this Sefer, such a Sefer of creation, Sefer talks about what HaKadosh Baruch Hu created in the world. This Sefer finishes up with Mitzrayim. Why? Mitzrayim is the place that Kahal Israel suffered. Annoyed Kahal Israel. They gave them such a slavery with full pain. And our Sefer Bereshit ends up with this word of Mitzrayim. Torah is teaching us the purpose of the creation is Mitzrayim, because Mitzrayim is like a womb of the Kahal Israel. That's the place that the mother has pain. Through the pain, the baby comes about. The pain of Mitzrayim made Kahal Israel into Kahal Israel, put them as a nationwide, made them to be connected together, made them to be one nation together. Don't make a mistake. The suffering of the Goyim puts us together, makes us oneness, and that's the purpose of it. That's why on Pesach night, on Morrow, we make a bracha and we eat it. Which nation, which tribe, which family, which mishpacha in the world would make a blessing on Merirut, on Morrow? Only Kahal Israel, because they understand there is a supervision. There is a God of Bereshit that brought about Mitzrayim. All of the Mitzrayim and the pain and the suffering, things that we have in life, we have to understand it's there to build us up. It's from my separation of HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Just like Hashem created a person, creates dimension for him to grow and to become what he has to become, to create point of his potential.